I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Set stance with about 70% weight on your rear leg and keep hands high. This primes balance and recoil. Once ready, shadow box 3 60-second rounds emphasizing explosive snap and instant chamber to extend motion. This ingrains timing. Make sure to add a short, fast twitch primer, 10 half-second plyo punches with 30-second rests to recruit fast muscle fibers. Keep breathing steady but sharp. This activation lets you build speed before adding resistance or technique work in the next phase. You now layer technique on top of activation. Break each punch into thirds. First third slow for mechanics, second third at training speed to groove timing, final third as a true max speed snap. Once done, add light resistance like 1 to 2 pound gloves or 2 to 3 elastic bands for short 10-15 second bursts. This increases neural drive and turnover. Make sure to integrate footwork with 20-second lateral bursts and quick 10-second resets. Coordinated hips and feet amplify hand speed dramatically. You finish by syncing power with speed. Practice 5 sets of 10 hip turns into punches, emphasizing transfer from ground to fist so your speed carries into impact. Once done, cool down with 5 minutes of slow shadow boxing and shoulder mobility to preserve range and recovery. If progress stalls, make sure to troubleshoot. Reduce external load, return to 50% intensity, and regroove the snap and retraction pattern for several sessions. This corrects motor patterns so speed returns reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.